Ever wondered how to customize the search filters on your website? I'm Poch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So let's start here on the left side. So we're on the dashboard right now. Let's go down to our studio menu. From the studio menu, let's just click on that. And then you want to go to content settings. Now, from content settings, we can go to search filters. Now, for the search filters, you can delete a search filter by clicking the trash icon, and you can reorder them by going to these two lines and just dragging and dropping. So if you want to put subtype on top, you can put it on top, etc. You can just order it any way you wish, actually. Now, if you delete something and you want to restore it, you can just click on Reset Search Filters. For more CityHive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your online or in-store sales quickly, visit us at intentionallycreative.com.